Okay. Start reading it.
The sister showed she was the place that sat in the house of the snow.
Cold, cold, wet day.
Cold, wet day. We thought it was some Saturday too, and we said it had slept in the day. Then stepping was up on a butt made us jump.
We looked.
We saw him step in on the map. He was good stuff, sitting with the cat in the hat.
And he said to us,
Why do you say stuff like that? I know some girls check that cat in the hat.
I know some good games we could play.
The cat.
I know some new tricks.
Said a cat in the hat.
A lot of good tricks.
Shouldn't you? Your mother and I'm off, I do.
Then Sally and I did not know what to say.
And my daughter's out in the house for the day. And then the fish said, no, let that cat go away. Said the cat and I had to know to play.
He should not be here.
And then my daughter's not.
Now, have no fear. My tricks are not bad.
Said the cat in the hat. Let me down, said not funny. Let me down, said the fish. And then now was too far.
Have no fear, said the cat.
And then left too far.
I will hold you up high.
As I stand on the bar.
With a book on one hand.
Put my hat.
And that is not all I can do.
Said the cat.
Look at me.
Well, look at me now, said the cat. And the key on top of my hat. And the two books on up on my finger.
I can hop on the ball, but
That is not all. Oh no, that's not all.
look at me. Look at me, look at me now. It is fun to have fun, but you have to know how. I can hold up the cup and the milk and the cake.
I can see the ball.
Yep. I can hold up these cups,
But no way.
but that is not all.
So the cat take it back.
Oh no, that is not all. That is what the cat said
And then he fell on his feet.
on his head. And he came down with a bump
And from up there on the way
up there on the ball. And Sally and I,
is the all the makes ball.
and our fish came down too.
And then he fell into a hat.
Say it the right way. He said, "Do I like this?
Oh no, I do not.
This is not a good game."
Said he lives.
No, I do not like it.
He does like it.
Not one little bit. Put your foot down. Now look what you did, said the fish to the cat.
Now look. Now,
Look at this house. Look at this, look at that. You sink our toy ship, sink it deep in the cake. You
and her says,
But I like to be here. Oh, I like it a lot, said the cat in the hat to the fish in the pot. I will not go away.
No, now to go.
And so, said the cat in the hat.
You know, even I know.
And then he ran out. And then, fast as a fox, the cat in the hat came back in with a box. A big redwood box that was shut with the hook. Now look at this trick, said the cat. Take a look. Then he got up on top with the tip of his hat. I call this game fun in a box, said the cat. In this box are two things. I will show them to you. You will like these two things, said the cat with a bow. I will pick up the hook. You will see something new. Two things, and I call them. These things will not bite you.
We'll have fun.
Then out of the box.
thing one.
And they ran to us fast. They said,
How do you do?
"Would you like to shake hands?"
Thing one, thing two.
And Sally and I did not know what to do. So we had to shake hands with thing one and thing two. We shook their two hands, but our fish said no, no.
The six and the B and it has me to go.
They should not be here when your mother is not. Put them out, put them out.
In the pot.
Have no fear, little fish, said the cat in the hat. These things are good things, and he gave them a pat. They are tame, oh so tame, they have come here to play. They will give you some fun. Now here is a game that they like, said the cat. No, not in the house, said the fish in the pot. They should not fly kites. They should not. Oh, the things they will bump. Then Sally and I saw them run down the hall. We saw those two things bump their kites on the wall. Down the wall in the hall. Thing two and thing one, they ran up, they ran down. Her gown with the dots that are pink, white, and red. Then we saw one kite bump on the head of her bed. Then those things ran about with big bumps, jumps, and kicks, and with hops and big thumps and all kinds of bad tricks. And I said, I do not like the way that they play. If Mother could see this, oh, what would she say? Then our fish said, and our fish shook with fear, your mother is on her way home. Do you hear? Oh, what will she do to us? Oh, she will not like it.
Bring us this way.
So do something fast, said the fish. Do you hear? I saw her, your mother. Your mother is near. So as fast as you can, think of something to do. You will have to get rid of thing one and thing two. So as fast as I could.
And as fast as I could, after my net.
And what I said with my net, I can get them, I bet.
I can get them, I bet.
Then I came down with my net.
They come down the bump.
And I had them at last. Those two things had to stop. Then I said to the cat,
Just I said, pack up those things and kick them away.
Oh dear, said the cat. You did not like our games. Oh dear. What a shame, what a shame, what a shame. Then he shut up the things in the box with the hook, and the cat went away. That is good, said the fish. He has gone away. Yes, but your mother will come. She will find this big mess. And this mess is so big.
The tip is so tall. Let's pick it up. There's no way at all.
And then,
Who's begging how about the cat?
have no fear of this mess.
I don't think I'm mess. I think that
I will show you another good trick that I know. Then we saw him pick up all the things that were down. He picked up the cake and the rake and the gown and the milk and the strings and the books and the dish and the fan and the cup and the ship and the fish. And he put them away. Then he said, that is that. And then he was gone. Then our mother came in and she said to us too, did you have any fun?
Mommy, what did you do?
And Sally and I did not know what to say.
Mother was at the hospital today.
Should we tell her about it? Now what should we do? Well, what would you do if your mother asked you?
Can I watch the whole thing now?
Yep.